have your paper going up and down. This is called vertical. This is a portrait. It's going up and down. You need to write the number 1 right here in this right corner, the top right corner, and then flip it over like this. And in the top left corner, I'm going to write 2. So I have 2 here, and if I put my finger there, right on the back of that is the 1. What I need you to do is I need you to take the 1, and we're going to fold it down to this corner. So I'm going to take it, and I'm flipping it over, and I'm folding it down to this corner. Now I can no longer see the 1, and the 2 is upside down. So I'm going to fold that. Then I want you to flip the paper over. So what I've done was I've turned it up and I'm flipping it over. I'm going to pull this 2 to this corner. So all I'm doing is I'm folding it a second time. I'm taking this corner and putting it here. Okay. Now I have the 2 up in the top corner. If I open it up, it looks like a book. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a design. So I'm going to draw a half circle here, or really this is a quarter circle. And then from this folded part, it has to be coming from a folded part, I'm going to draw a curved triangle. Over here, I'm going to draw a square, and these 2 are not going to touch. Then I'm going to draw just a wavy line. I'm going to come out here. Then in between these 2, from this folded line, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to draw another curved triangle, and then maybe a line like this, and then I'm going to come up like this. So notice that each one of them, none of them touch. I'm going to make one more. This one's going to be rounded. There we go, just like that. So if I open it up, it still looks like a book. All of my lines, I have to start from the part where it's folded. So if I have it like this, where it sets like a house, I'm going to start where it's folded at the roof part. So I'm starting here where it's folded, and I'm going to cut on that line. And it's kind of hard to cut because it's kind of thick, but you can do it. Take your time. And I'm going to turn my whole paper so that I can make that curve. So now I've turned the whole paper and I'm coming back. So I'm going to come back here and cut it off, just like that. So you can see now that I've cut it off. Then I'm going to cut the next one. And I'm going to cut it off. Okay. This next one doesn't start over there on that side. So if I open it up, it starts down here at the bottom, but it's still on a folded edge. It doesn't open up. So I can cut on it. I'm going to cut along here, cut along that line. Just like that. I'm going to cut out that square that's on that same one. Just like that. And these 2 triangles, I'm going to cut them out. It has to be cutting on that folded line. And then the corner one, it's going to cut the corner off, just like that. Okay, now if I open it up, you can see that it doubles itself, and then it doubles itself again, just like that. Isn't that neat? What we're going to do now is we're going to add tissue paper to turn this into a sun catcher. Doesn't that sound fun? So we're going to put glue around these spots, and we're going to turn this into a sun catcher. And this is going to be a symmetrical piece that mirrors itself. So it's very symmetrical. All right, I hope you have fun. Next video will show us how to do the tissue paper to fill in our spots.